Good day, ma'am. I'm Gabriel Henderson P. Mainit, and since our subdivision's neighbor has a crowded home that could be severely impacted by a little fire, I decided to focus on the fire hazard caused by crowded dwellings made of light materials. I'll start by showing to you how close together or far apart each dwelling is in phase 2 of Pagatpat habitat.
Hindi ko kaya umibig muli habang buhay na lang kitang hihintayin.
The
Tinatanggi ko
pollutants
ang
released during
tadhana
fires in crowded houses
kahit
made of
na
light
mawala
materials
ka.
can have various adverse effects
Ako
on the environment and
lang
human health. Smoke contains
sa'yo'y
particulate matter,
tingin.
carbon monoxide,
Wala nang ibang
volatile organic
maiiwanan
compounds,
sila.
and other harmful
Di
substances.
magkakamukha
Prolonged exposure to
habang
smoke can cause respiratory problems, cardiovascular issues, and other health complications. Vulnerable populations, such as the elderly and children, are particularly at risk.
Di mo na ko kayang tanggapin.
I now have an idea for a solution to this issue that would protect both our home and our health.
Habang
I'm
buhay
going
na
to
lang
develop a vacuum
kitang
extinguish
kung
method.
wala nang ibang
So sa ako ang pag-research,
kahit sila
nakaabot ko ani nga study sa mga scientist, i-develop na ko ni since ka-exist na siya, i-develop na ko ni in a way na magamit na to ni sa atuang houses. Kay karon pwede lang ni siya magamit sa space vehicles and submarines. And ang use niya ani is to prevent spreading the harmful combustion products across the entire enclosed cabin, which is mura siyang vacuum for gases. Okay kayo ni siya kay musuyop ni siya og flame, tsada ni siya gamiton if magkalala na jud ang fire. Like na stuck na ka, pangitaon lang ni mo tas gamiton para dili nimo mahurot og inhale tanan toxic oxygen. So pa-develop pa lang ni na idea. Now, kani mura ni siya fire extinguisher. VEM sucks the firing materials as well as combustion products just like a vacuum cleaner and collects them into a vacuum box. This is the most featuring point of VEM, namely, we can isolate the fire source and harmful product from the living space in a quick manner assisted by vacuum operations.
Di mo na ko kayang tanggapin.
As you can see in the picture, mo ni siya ang blueprint sa vacuum extinguish method or VEM. So ang process niya ani is iyang ikuano diri sa nakaubos which is ang toxic gas, iyang suyop po na pati ang burning materials nga mga kuan apil po na sa toxic nga mga kuan gas, tapos pataas siya kay ginasuyop na siya sa vacuum padula sa vacuum pipe. Tapos molahos na siya sa vacuum box which is diha magpundo ang mga toxic gas and mga burning materials nga nasuyop. Tapos pag abot niya sa box na diha dayon ma-process nga extinguishant which is iyang extinguish ang mga substance nga nasunog pa kay kanang VME is ga suyop pud siya og fire, di ba? So diha murag iyang extinguish para mawala ang fire. So mao ra to ma'am, and all the sources are in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.